So, hi everyone. So, in assignment 2, I analyzed the 5,000 Netflix mobile app reviews and built a settlement classifier that has about 93% accuracy. The natural next question is how do I get those insights in front of the decision makers who don't read Jupyter notebooks? That's what is this Simon Drivers, an interactive streamlined dashboard built specifically for Netflix executive leadership. So in the next 9 minutes, I will go through its post, the strategy question, its answer, and how I transfer technical result into executive language, as the visualization and the interactive features I choose and the strengths and the limitation of the tool. So the purpose of this dashboard is simple. Give Netflix C-suite, the CEO, CEO, and the chief product officer a single screen that tell them how customers feel about the mobile app, why they feel the way, and then what to do about it. I tolerate every design decision to a C-suite audience first. No join. You won't see the words TF-IDF or logistic regression anywhere on the screen. You will see model accuracy 93% and the top complaint second. Time to insight under 60 seconds. The first thing executive says narrow of five KPI cards, person active reviews, average rating, model accuracy, the guide headline before the scrolling. Third, layer deepest. The KPIs are on the top, deeper analysis is in tables below, and the layer pattern is at the bottom for the executive who wants to kick their tires. Each layer is optional. You can start at any level and still have a complete picture. So the dashboard is organized around six strategic questions. Netflix executive work would ask in charm review meeting. One, how bad is the mobile experience right now? The KPI strip answer that. The two, is it getting better or worse? The settlement trend tab shows a weekly share of negative reviews. Three, what specifically are people complaining about? The voice of customer and the complaint theme seems tabs. Four, can we trust the analysis, the model performance tab? Five, does it work on a new review my team just got? The lab predictor. Six, what should we do about it? A strategic recommendation section at the bottom. Every question maps to exactly one section. An executive who only had a 30 seconds checks the KPI strip. Well, with 5 minutes works through the test, the structure is a valid precipitation. So translating assignment 2 was the hardest part. The technical result, TF-IDF, confidence and LDA topic distribution, ROC curves are not what an executive wants to read. So I made the three deliverable translations. Coefficient become drivers. The model selective class coefficient, which adjusted numbers are present at the strongest selective segment drivers, which red bar and the plain English words. Payment sign, fixed cash, the executive raised them like a list of pain points, not a regression output. LDA topics become labeled the same. The five topics from assignment 2 are now logging and account access, pay and buffering. Yeah, subscription and payment, content and catalog, and the app stability and the crashes. Auto match labels the LDA keywords, so the names are reliable even if the model records topics on a future run. Model accuracy become one number. So instead of showing the full classification report, the KPI strip says model accuracy 93% and the model performance tag is there if a curious executive wants more. So I choose visualizations that an executive can read in under 3 seconds each. KPIs, card for highlight numbers, large bold values, dark Netflix style, background, and note decimals where they don't matter. A weekly trend line for person negative. One variable, one color, one soup one slope to read a horizon bar chart for complaint themes which percentage labels sorted by volume. So the biggest issue is visually largest. Word clouds for the voice of customer view, a quick quantitative get back that makes data feel human. Confusion matrix as a 2 by 2 hand tip with the actual numbers on it. A guide for the line parameter, green or red, one needle, one number. I deliberately avoided dense scatter plots, multi-line spaghetti cards, or dashboards with the 20 small panels. Every visualization answers exactly one question. That's the rule. So the dashboard has five interactive components, three live in the sidebar and then re-scoop every chart on the page. At day range slider lets the CEO see whether the trend is improving than the most recent quarter. Star rating multi-sex lets the chef customer officer focus on just the 1 and 2 star reviews. The Trump risk settlement, a theme dropped license, and then the other two are inside the tabs. Slider on the model tab to control how many top words to show and the text input in the live parameter. Data and game stakes. Each one supports a specific decision-making move. Should we trigger by region or issue? Filter to the same detail. Last release help. More move the data slider is the model real or is just a pattern matching on something silly. Tap your one on review and see what it predict. So, yeah, when communicating the model on the non-technical audience required a few specific moves. So one leader with one number, model accuracy 93%. That's the only number an executive needs to give the model credibility. Two, show the confusion matrix at the labeled head map. The model correctly identified 88% of the negative reviews. It is misclassified as small friction. That framing turns a statistical artifact into a trust statement. 3. Explain the model's logic in English. The model performance tab shows the word that drives predictions and executive reading payment sign in flex immediately and understand what the model is paying attention to. That's a key trust. They can audit the model with their eyes. 4. Let them try it. The live predator is the most powerful trust building feature. An executive can paste a real review their team forward and watch the model classified. That builds the confidence faster than any metric. So, constantly have how that Flex executive use the dashboard to make decisions. We can read out the CPU opens the dashboard each Monday, looks at the trend, and asks did the person negative go up or our last release? Like content planning, the CEO filters to one hand the 2 star reviews and reviews the theme breakdown to allocate engaging capacity. The dashboard clear recommendations is to fix sign in any playback first. Customer support installation. Anyone in the leadership team can paste a review into the live platter to instantly rotate to the right team. For the strengths, the single page executive language end-to-end coverage from descriptive analytics to predict ML, fully interactive and reproducible, one Python files and one dataset call. Lab for the limitations, 5,000 reviews is a sample, not a sense. Like the dashboard is directly reviewer self-select. So slight charmers are missing entirely. It's English only, so non-English speakers are unable to represent it. And the topic labels will automatically need period like reviews as the app involvers. So to wrap up, this dashboard turns the technical analysis from assignment 2 into a tool a Netflix executive can actually use to drive decisions about the mobile app experience. The path from the review text to product investment is now a Monday morning click. Thanks for watching.